Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset mobile network settings. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings first, and when we are here we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find General Management. Now again scroll down, find Reset Options, scroll once again, and in here we have Reset Options. And we are looking for Reset Mobile Network Settings. Simply click right in here. Now click on this blue button, Reset Network Settings. Now I need to also draw my pattern. Now click on Reset. And now the settings have been resetted successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.